A very good evening to one and all present. I'm Ashwini CK. I am a student of Mamta Karanth. I've been learning Bharatanatyam from the past 7 years, and I thank Team Itihasa for this opportunity. Today my main concept will be Tala. So Tala is a very wide concept. It is one of the main parts of all types of dance, including Hindustani and South Indian dances. So mainly in the South Indian type, we have this concept called Sapta Talas, which are the main 7 types of talas. So before we get into this, tala is basically a method of keeping in track of time. It's mainly used for Carnatic music or Hindustani music, and it's used for classical dances mostly. Actually, if you notice, it's used in any kind of dance. So in the Carnatic style, we mainly have 7 types of talas, and there are 5 jatis in each tala. So these 5 jatis are 3, 5, 7, 4 and 9. So these are also, like in the terms, it's called Tishra for 3, Chatushra for 4, Khanda for 5, Mishra for 7 and Sankirna for 9. So how we put these talas are, the first part of it is Laghu. So Laghu is basically a clap of the hand and followed by count of the fingers. So suppose it's Tishra Laghu, what we are following, it will be 1, 2, 3. And if it's Chatushra, that is 4 counts, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And the other part after Laghu comes the Dhritam. So Dhritam is a clap and the wave of the hand. And the third part is the Anudhritam, which is just a clap of the hand. So if we take into consideration these 7 types of talas, each 7 type, like the most basic concept is that with each 7 type of talas, if you multiply it into the 5 jatis, as I just mentioned, you will get a total of 35 main talas. And one of the main and commonly used talas are the 8-beat cycle, which is known as Chatushra Jati Triputa Tala, or commonly known as the Adi Tala. It goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So mainly in dance, rhythm is very important because it helps the dancer to keep in track of the time used, and it also helps one to calculate the number of times each step has to be done or so. And in Bharatanatyam, as I'll be performing today, in Bharatanatyam, the main instruments that are used are Mridangam and the cymbals or the Natvangam to keep in track of the tala. And so basically, if we go on, like the first concept, that is Alaripu. So Alaripu is actually one of the first items that are done in a Bharatanatyam Margam. So literally, Alaripu means blooming of a flower. So here, like in dance, it's related to blooming of a dancer's body and mind, because first you go on from the Natya Ramba position, and then you move on to the Murumandi, that is the full sitting, and then you go on to the half sitting. So by doing this item, the dancer warms up her mind and her body for the following items. So one of the main Alaripus that we notice in a Bharatanatyam sequence is a very simple one is a Tishra Alaripu. And Alaripu can be done in any tala, it depends on the composer. But mainly there are 5 types which are done, again based on the 5 types of jatis. That is Tishra, Chatushra, Khanda, Sankirna and Mishra. So now I'll be demonstrating a simple Tishra Alaripu, how it goes on from the first speed to the second speed and then the third speed, and then it carries on to the Uttarangam, which is the second half of the item, which consists of the Tirmana part. So it goes on like this. The tala for Tishra Alaripu is, you can use Rupaka tala or you can use Tishra Eka tala. So I'll be using Rupaka tala now, which goes on like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'll be reciting it now. Talang kutakata digina tom tai tai tam kitataka taha tahi tahi talang गिन तुम ताम धित ताम किट तक तई तक तई किट तक ताम धित ताम तई तत तई ही ताम धित ताम तई तत तई ही ताम धित ताम तई तत तई 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 ता हत झुम तरी ता झुम तरी झुग तरी तई तदि गिन तुम तक तदि गिन तुम तक धित तदि गिन तुम तक तई तई तक ताम किट तक धित तई तई ताम किट तक ता. So that was a very simple Tishra Alaripu. The same Alaripu can be done depending on the dancer or the choreographer or whatever. It can be done in Tishra, Chatushra, Khanda, Mishra, Sankirna, or it can be done in any tala also. So mainly today I'll be performing an Alaripu. I'll be performing Panchamukhi Alaripu. This is a very different sort of a jati. So basically we take the Adi Tala, and when the clapping part comes, we do it in Khanda, that is in 5. So the Tala goes on like this. So this Alaripu is composed by Shri Somashekar Jois sir, and it's choreographed by my guru Srimati Mamta Karant. The tala name is Panchamukhi, and I also performed this item for my Arangetra. Hope you all will enjoy it. Hope you all enjoyed the Alaripu. The next concept, or I think you all would have liked, the second half of this was quite complicated. So I would like to recite it, which I missed out on before the performance. I would like to recite the second half of it, of the same Alaripu. Okay, so it goes on like this. Tam taka taki taka tay tay tam taki taka tay tay tam taka taki taka tay tay lam tu tum taka taki tum tam ni tam tari tum tay ta tay ta tari tum tam ni tam tari tum tay ta tay ta tari tum tam ni tam Tarigidum, tarigidum, tay, ta, tay, ta, tarigidum, tarigidum, tam, tam, tarigidum, tarigidum, tay, ta, tay, ta, tarigidum, tarigidum, tam, tam, tarigidum, 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 tay, ta, tay, ta, tarigidum, 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 tam, tam, tarigidum, 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 tay, ta, tay, ta, tarigidum, 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 tam, tam, tarigidum, 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 tay, ta, tay. Jam tari jaga tari tay jana jam tak jam tari jaga tari tay ta hat jam tari ta ta hat jam tari gina to ta de gina tum ta ta de gina to ta de gina tum ta ta de gina tum ta ta de ku ta gina to ta dhin gina tum ta ta dhin gina tum ta dhin gina tum ta ta dhin gina tum ta ta de ku gina to ta dhim tari dum ta dhim gina ta dhim tari dum ta dhim tari dum ta tari dum ta dhim tari dum ta Kindly excuse me for the small miss that was there in between. Okay, so the next concept is about Gati and Jati. So basically Gati is the pace that you go in. So the pace meaning, suppose you take Adi Tala, which is of 8 beats. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you take Chatushra Jati Adi Tala, it has 4 units for every beat. So suppose you count the 4 beats as takka, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, that is 8. So it goes on like takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jhannu. So this is with Chatushra Jati, that is in 4 units for each beat. So you can take the same thing for any tala in any of this thing. In any of the Panchanadais. So Gati basically means the units in each beat, and Jati means the count of the Laghu. So basically you take if you take Tishra Jati Adi Tala, Tishra Jati Triputa Tala, that is 3 Jatis. So it will come 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take Chatushra Jati, it will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this remains the same. Only the first beat with the count of the fingers will differ depending on the Jati of the Tala. Next, I'll be doing a Shiva Stuti. So this in Stuti or in any other item like Padams also, it mainly describes the beauty of the deity which we are focusing on in that item. So today I'll be doing a Shiva Stuti. So it will mainly focus on Shiva's characteristics and small bits of his way of saving people and all those. So here in this Shiva Stuti, since I'm more into Tala, I've introduced a Mridangam concept, that is Mohara. So Mohara is something that you usually play before the Korvai, but since we've taken it just as a dance jati, and this Shiva Stuti which I'll be doing is in Rupa Katala. So Rupa Katala is again 1, 2, 3. So the Mohara is added before before the song begins. So it's just used to show the entry of Shiva. So yeah, so I'll be performing the Shiva Stuti now. It's in Raga Pantuvarali and Rupa Katala. Hope you enjoy it. So that was the Shiva Stuti. The next concept I would like to talk about is one of the items in which mainly the jatis are found is one is the Jati Swaram, in which the beginning, the first half, the first para is mostly said by the Natvanar. And when we come to what is a jati, basically a jati is a combination of many adavus or many steps. It's purely based on nritta. So nritta means only steps, which doesn't exactly convey any meaning to the audience. It's just there for the aesthetic purpose. So the jatis, mostly when we come to varnams, the first half usually has a lot of jatis, and the first jati is always a trikala jati. So trikala means that which is in three speeds. Three in trikala means three, and kala means the speed. So basically in varnam, the first half, the first jati is a trikala jati. So this jati mainly has two parts, which is the Purvanga and the Uttaranga. So the Purvanga is the first half where the three speeds come, and the Uttaranga is the second half. So I'll be reciting a Trikala Jati now. So this Jati is an Aditala. It goes like Kum Jam Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Ta Jam Ta Ki Ta Ta Ka Ta Ram Ta Ka Ta Nam Ta Gi Gi Na Tum Jam Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Ta Jam Ta Ki Ta Ka Ta Ram Ta Ka Ta Nam Hi Gi Na Tum Jam Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Ta Jam Ta Ki Ta Ka Ta Ram Ta Ka Ta Nam Ta Hi Gi Na Tum Jam Ta Jam Ta Ka Ta Jam Ta Ki Ta Ta Ka Ta Ram Ta Ka Ta Nam Ta Hi Gi Na Tum Jam Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Ta Jam Ta Ki Ta Ta Ka Ta Ram Ta Ka Ta Nam Ta Hi Gi Na Tum Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Dit Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Tai Ta Ka Jam Dit Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Jam Ta Ka Ram Ta Ka Nam Ta Ka Dit Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ka Jam Ta Ri Ta Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo Ta Ka Dhikku Kada Kada Girdo. So that was a Trikala Jati. And more ways of beautifying the Jati is, suppose the Jati begins in a Chatusha Jati, that is, Chatusha Gati, which is 4 units per beat. In between, we can introduce Tishra or Khanda or any of the other 5 jatis. So this will add more beauty. So I'll be moving on to the next topic. So jatis are mostly found, the items are mostly found and the jatis are mostly beautified in Adi talas because it's one of the main talas. But we can also try this out in many other talas, and there's this concept called Panchanade. So Panchanade is again these 5 concepts which are introduced with the same beats per unit in a tala. So suppose we're given Rupaka tala, that's 1, 2, 3. So here's a simple example of how we introduce Panchanade. Takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, 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 takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takkitta, takka, takkitta, takkitta, takka, takkitta, takka, takkitta, 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 takka, dhimmi, takka, jonnu, takka, dhimmi, takka, jonnu, diditai, tai 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 diditai, takka, dhimmi, diditai, tai 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 diditai, takka, dhimmi, diditai, tai 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 diditai. So this was a simple example. Next we move on to the next items. So after a lot of tala work, let's move on to a little bit of abhinaya. So I'll be doing a javali. Usually javalis are of the colloquial, the colloquial language is used in javalis. There's a very similar piece in the Bharatanatyam Margam, which is the padams. So padams are more of a deeper type of expressions, whereas javalis are a very simple and colloquial language. So today I'll be presenting a javali called Sako Ninna Sneha. It's based on a Kannada concept. It's done in a Kannada language. Sorry. So this javali is in Kapi Raga and in Mishra Shaputala. And also one more speciality of this item is that it starts after 2 beats. So it goes on like ta. So when the hand comes up, this is where this song starts. You will be able to notice this. Sorry for the confusion. I forgot to mention this javali is based on a Sakhi, on a character who is a Khandita Nayaki. So basically, she is angered by the fact that her lord or her lover hasn't returned since the past night and has been spending his night with another woman. So she's angered by this and she sends him out of the house. Thank you. Hope you all liked it. The next concept is something known as the Gettu in the Carnatic type of music, and in dance also. It's mainly used for dancers. So this concept is where the Natvanar first recites a small bit of a sequence, a mathematical sequence, which is followed by the Mridangist and the dancer with the exact same calculations and the way the Natvanar says it. So this concept is, it can be used in any item. It's mostly found in Tilanas. And the next item I'll be performing is a Tilana. It's in this Tilana is in Raga Shiva Kalyani, and it's in Khanda Jati Attatala. Hope you all like it. Thank you. The choreographer is Mamta Karat, my guru.
मदनान्तक मारकोटि प्रकाशकर सोम सूर्यातिलोचन नाट्यादि देवनन्दिराम श्यामलाधविलोचन नरङ्कर नन्दकृष्ण मनोहर श्रीशक्तिवासनोद शान्तर सदाशिव
That was my last piece for the day. Hope you all liked it. If you all have any doubts, you can put forth in the comment section. Okay. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Team Itihasa for this wonderful opportunity. I would also like to thank my Guru Mamta Karans for her guidance and support. The previous series that was about music will be is uploaded on the Team Itihasa's YouTube page. You can check out their page, and I request all the audience to please subscribe to their channel on YouTube and follow them on Instagram for more updates. I'll be handing over the stage now to the next performer of the day, Sri Chandrasekhar. Today's performances will go on up to 9 p.m. I request you all to stay tuned for the upcoming updates. Thank you.